Dear friends, today also we brought you some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 33 stocks including JK Cement, Dr. Reddy's Lab, Emphasis, Roto Pumps, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Biocon Limited share is trading around rupees 355. Biocon announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. 4th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Tech Mahindra Limited. Techem current market price rupees 1659. Tech Mahindra announced a dividend of rupees 30 per share. 4th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Welspun Enterprises Limited. Welent current market price rupees 515. Welspun Enterprises announced a dividend of rupees 3 per share. 4th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Bharat Forge Limited current market price rupees 1309. Bharat Forge announced a dividend of rupees 6 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 4th July 2025. Dodla Dairy Limited. Dodla current market price rupees 1331. Dodla Dairy announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. Ex-date and record date fixed as 7th July 2025. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited. Sun Pharma current market price rupees 1688. Sun Pharma announced a dividend of rupees 5.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 7th July 2025. JK Cements Limited. JK Cement current market price rupees 6082. JK Cements announced a dividend of rupees 15 per share. 8th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. SJS Enterprises Limited. SJS current market price rupees 1219. SJS Enterprises also announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. 9th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Emphasis Limited. Emphasis current market price rupees 2644. Company announced a dividend of rupees 57 per share. 9th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Elegant Marbles and Granites Industries Limited. Current market price rupees 248. Elegant Marbles announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 9th July 2025. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited. Dr. Reddy current market price rupees 1362. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories announced a dividend of rupees 8 per share. 10th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. LMW Limited. LMW current market price rupees 16,493. LMW announced a dividend of rupees 30 per share. 10th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Diffusion Engineering Limited. Current market price rupees 302. Diffusion Engineers announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. 10th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. D-Link India Limited. D-Link current market price rupees 540. D-Link India announced a dividend of rupees 15 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 11th July 2025. Roto Pumps Limited. Roto current market price rupees 289. Roto Pumps announced the bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Roto Pumps, you will get 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. Record date for the bonus is fixed as 11th July 2025. Ajcon Global Services Limited. Current market price rupees 138. Ajcon Global Services announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Ajcon Global Services, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 20th June 2025. GTV Engineering Limited. Current market price rupees 1141. GTV Engineering announced the split in the ratio 1:5 and announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. Both the ex-date and record date yet to be announced by GTV Engineering. Hindustan Unilever Limited. Current market price rupees 2319. Hindustan Unilever announced a dividend of rupees 24 per share. 23rd June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. MPS Limited. MPS. Current market price rupees 2632. MPS also announced a dividend of rupees 50 per share. 13th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Union Bank of India. Current market price rupees 146. Union Bank of India announced a dividend of rupees 4.75 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 18th July 2025. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. M&M. Current market price rupees 3006. M&M announced a dividend of rupees 25.3 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 4th July 2025. Vidol Corporation Limited. Current market price rupees 1682. Vidol Corporation also announced a dividend of rupees 22 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 7th July 2025. JSW Steel Limited. JSW Steel. Current market price rupees 987. JSW Steel also announced a dividend of rupees 2.8 per share. 8th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Solar Industries Limited. Solar Inds. Current market price rupees 16,850. Solar Industries announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 8th July 2025. Pfizer Limited. Current market price rupees 5,882. Company announced a dividend of rupees 135 per share. 9th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Upcoming IPOs. Oswald Pumps. Face value rupees 1 per share. Price band rupees 554 to 614. Lot size 24 shares. IPO opens on 13th June and closes on 17th June 2025. Tentative allotment 18th June 2025. Initiation of funds 19th June 2025. Credit of shares to demat account 19th June 2025. Tentative listing date 20th June 2025. Oswald Pumps Limited. Incorporated in 2003, Oswald Pumps Limited is a manufacturer and distributor of pumps. The company offers a diverse range of products catering to domestic, agricultural and industrial applications including solar pumps, submarine pumps, monoblock pumps, pressure pumps, sewage pumps, electric motors, submersible winding wires and cables. As of August 31, 2024, the company had executed orders for 26,270 turnkey solar pumping systems directly under the PM Kusum scheme for several states including Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. The company operates a manufacturing facility located in Karnal, Haryana, which covers a total land area of 41,076 square meters as of March 31, 2024. The company has a growing network of distributors across India, increasing from 473 distributors as of March 31, 2022 to 636 distributors as of March 31, 2024. Further, between April 1, 2021 and March 31, 2024, Oswald Pumps exported its products to 17 countries across the Asia Pacific, Middle East and North Africa regions. This is the balance sheet of Oswald Pumps. All the figures are in crores. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.